my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious Parmesan potato pancake. So if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. And don't forget to turn on those notifications just in case whenever I do put up a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So I cooked 3 medium-sized Russert potatoes, and a couple of years ago when I tried to make this recipe, everything fell apart and I didn't understand why. So this time I decided to, cook the potatoes a couple of days before, put them in the refrigerator, and then when I was ready to make these potato pancakes, everything turned out perfect. So I really think that's the key. Just let them chill in the refrigerator and then make your potato pancakes. And I'm going to add 1 large egg, and the egg is going to help to bind the pancake so it doesn't fall apart. And I'm going to add 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. For some freshness, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of chopped parsley. For a little bit of an onion flavor, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of chopped chives. And 1/4 cup of flour, and again, this is going to help keep the pancakes together. I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt and black pepper, but taste test it just to see if you need to add more. And at this point, just grab a spoon or a rubber spatula like I'm doing and just mix everything until everything is well combined. Now these are what your potatoes are going to look like. Really easy using simple ingredients. So in order to make them all around the same size, I'm going to use 1/2 cup measuring cup, and this is going to make around 6 potato pancakes, but if you want them smaller, you can absolutely use a smaller cup. So you're just going to take them out, and I'm going to use my fingers, and it's almost like making a hamburger patty. I'm just going to form each pancake, and it's so much easier this time around, you guys. They really turned out really great. So yeah, I'm just going to make my potato pancake. And on a separate dish, I have around 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to take each pancake and I'm going to dip it or coat it in the cheese. Not only is it going to make it even more delicious, but it's going to create a delicious golden brown crust. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and finish the rest of my pancakes. So I'm all done, and before I cook them, I'm just going to let them chill in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Now after chilling in the refrigerator for an hour, I'm going to heat up some avocado oil, and I'm going to place 2 at a time in the skillet, and I'm going to let them brown between around 6 or 7 minutes or until they're golden brown on each side. Now after 6 or 7 minutes of cooking, I've already flipped them over, and now I'm ready to take them out of the pan. They may not look as pretty as I want them to be, but trust me, they are just as delicious. And the best thing about these potato pancakes, you guys, you can have them for breakfast. I know I've had them for breakfast, or you can have them for a side dish for dinner. Just remember to enjoy them while they're nice and hot. But we are done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share this video with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me, take a picture on Instagram. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Before you leave, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel by clicking that box you see right there. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.